Yes. Hi guys. Back again. About to go to my brother's food truck, my twin's food truck, and whatnot. His food truck right there, like right there. That's his food truck right there. He got a platform. I'll show y'all his platform, his Instagram, and the link where you can get his food at, where he's gonna be at, etc., etc. Buck, say hey to the vlog. Yeah, we got his food truck. This is a platform right here. So, he do DoorDash, Uber Eats, etc., etc. And we got a Facebook, well, an Instagram and stuff like that. But what looks good on the menu? So, yes. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your notifications, click that bell button down below, and stay tuned for more videos. I got another video coming up, car shopping. Right now this is a vlog. I don't know what I'm gonna call this vlog yet, but out and about. How to eat. It's a nice beautiful day though. It's not that, cold, not that hot, it's in between. Nice little breeze going on over here, etc., etc. So yeah, I don't know what we're about to eat. So yeah, it's actually good. His food is actually good. But I'll let you guys know, this is his platform right here. That's his Instagram right there, down below too. So just make sure y'all follow his page, his Instagram page, stuff like that. So yeah. Look.
She don't text me, she don't call me. You know what I'm saying?
This is platform right there. Platform right there. He eats out a lot of stuff. Burgers, chicken sandwiches, tater tots, mozzarella sticks, empanadas, and chicken tenders he does too, and smoothies. So it's pretty good. It's really good, actually. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys, and whatnot. So we're just grabbing some food, and then we're gonna head back to the house. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all share, turn on notifications, and stay tuned. Alright guys, peace, love, peace out to the Nene squad, Nene family forever. Alright, so enjoy y'all day, because I know I will, and I'm about to eat some food. Alright, bye guys, peace.